folks. Here we are on one of these here windy days. Everything's just flying around all kinds of ways. Really is kind of amazing when you see it all like this. But what's really scary is when they get all dusty and windy and these hazy, gray, ugly, dirty, brown days. You know, something ain't right. It just ain't right. Well, we get out the old Geiger counter. Of course, you know, we're gonna give it a check to see. And look at here now, what you got here. Is it at 750 counts in 10 minutes? Which, when you divide it by 10, gives you the 75 counts per minute. That's not good because it's 3/4 of the way to 100 counts per minute. Which, of course, you know, is a little level. So now you folks in Colorado and Utah, be extra careful. Same with those folks in New Mexico and on Eastwood. That dead dust in the sky you see is radioactive. And that comes from the fallout from the 60s bomb tests in the Nevada desert. All that plutonium went up and came down all the way down to Utah, Colorado, past Kansas border. And that whole region out there is very radioactive. You ain't got cancer in 5 years? Stick around the Four Corners area. And you'll have some sort of radiation sickness in about 10. Imagine that, 75 count per minute, every minute of your life, every day. Yo, have a nice day now. Here.